Folks, it's Philip from Pacific Coast Yacht Sales. Again, we've done it. We've got a 39 Folks steel boat built by David Folks back in 1977 through 1978, and then the owners at that time finished the interior and was finally launched in 1985. This boat has been sailed around the world and it is in exceptional condition. The current owner has had it for a long time. He's retiring from boating. He is not the one that sailed it offshore. He did all the coastal cruising with it, upgraded it along the way as well. Some of the things I want to point out is the Rockner 25-kilogram anchor package on it. It has 75 feet of chain and 300 feet of stainless steel wire on a big drum below that deck, all run by hydraulics. It's got a pro furler on it. It's got a double spreader mast with the mast steps going all the way up to the top, so you can easily do maintenance if you end up offshore and have a problem. It is a cutter rig and there is a stay sail. There's some other sails that are listed on my specification sheet. It's got those things by the mast. I can't remember what those are called. Call me a broker, but you don't remember everything. It is in absolute excellent condition. In 2013, they stripped it right down to the bare steel, 6 coats of epoxy, and then bottom painted. It was out of the water 2 years ago for bottom painting. In 2023, I believe it was. Maybe it was 2022. I have it in the specification sheet. It is a great looking boat. It is a pilot house. I have all the canvas on it. I removed a little bit of it so you can see it has window covers for all the plastics. So the plastics are in great shape. It's got 3 hard panel solar panels up top and a good quality modern solar charger inside the boat. It is in great shape. Take a look at the outside of this boat. Look at the inside of the boat. It's got great equipment. It's offshore capable. It's been offshore and it's ready to go again. Has a dinghy davit, but no dinghy. Has a barbecue that goes with it. It is a great boat. The bottom has been dove. The owner dives it 4 times a year, replaces the zincs, stays on top of the care that a steel boat is required. There is no rust on it. He touches up the paint whenever there's any bleeding, sands it, touches it up. That is what is required on a steel boat. If you stay on top of the maintenance, the boat stays in great shape. They added that stainless steel rail around 2005 on this boat, so it runs a stainless steel rail all the way around the edge of the deck. Makes a nice finished look to the boat. So the Samara 2, it is ready for sale today. I'm super excited about it. I can't wait to show it to people. It is a great boat in great condition and the owner's kept top notch. PacificCoastYachtSales.com, 604-708-1980. Been doing this, well, I've been selling boats for 35 years, 31 under the Pacific Coast name. Been doing this my whole career. I really look forward to meeting you, showing you this fine vessel. It's realistically priced. Somebody's going to get a great boat for coastal cruising or even offshore with a full pilot house enclosure on it as well. Thanks for watching.